with the green, 6, 4 across, 2 against. So stick around. We're working with, yeah, we got some growth here. So it's about 3 days worth of growth. So we're working with something. Number 6 plate with a Gillette Platinum blade. Wow, what a great shave. So smooth, so precise. Amazing. Man, so smooth. I mean, there's not a better shaver out there. There really isn't. It's such a beautiful shave. Okay, we're gonna go in with the 4 plate across the grain. Gillette Platinum blade. So smooth. I have never had such a smooth feeling on my face from any razor. Disposable, it doesn't matter. And this Taylor of Old Bond Street sandalwood, smells so good. Four plate feels great. Removes hair beautifully. R2 plate against the grain. There was a little bit left on those cheeks. Not much, but a little bit. Yeah, same thing, not much up top on the cheeks. Against the grain cheek line. Beautiful. Wow. I just can't explain how smooth that feels on your skin. It's unbelievable. I mean, I've got a Merkur 34C and it's not that smooth. This thing's amazing. Yeah, got a little bit there. And the nice thing is with this razor as well, you don't have to be, like perfect at shaving. I believe that this razor, this Rockwell 6C, I believe it makes me, myself, a better shaver. All right, so conclusion, really good shave. 6, 4, 2. Tell me if you guys do that. You guys use that. I'm gonna run an alum block over it, but wanted to say thanks to all of our subscribers. Hey, you guys have really made this channel grow very fast, and thank you so much for that. Thanks for all your input on my videos and commenting on, how you like the way I edit the videos and shoot them. It's very nice of you guys. Thank you so much. So this alum block, I mean, yeah, there's a little staining down here. Pretty much gold up top, smooth, it's glass. Yeah, I'm telling you, I can't, that Rockwell 6C, I left the number, I took the blade out, cleaned it up real quick. I'm gonna probably do a level 2 plate tomorrow just to see. I don't think I've ever used the 2 one-day shave for a daily shaver and see how it does. Okay, so I'll rinse that off. Okay. I'm gonna finish everything off like I normally do with Nivea. Man, I can tell you what, the last few shaves I did with the R41, the Mula, and man, that is a very aggressive razor. It's chewed up my face. I had to go to a razor that I was comfortable with today just because my face and neck, oh man, it was hurting so bad. So bad. So hey, thanks for watching my video. If you like the content I'm putting out, please subscribe and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much. You guys have an awesome weekend.